Your model will not work unless you watch this video to the end. Let me show you how to fix your VTube Studio. Have you ever had the issue where your live 2D model stopped working in VTube Studio and now you're trying to fix it? Hi there, I'm Nicholas Wraith, your friendly virtual phantom assistant on your PC. Let's talk about why your model isn't working in VTube Studio and exactly how to fix it through these video series. First, let me say that I am not associated with and never have been or worked for VTube Studio as an employee, software engineer, or technical support. I am simply just a phantom who decided to help others out with their VTube Studio program and to get their models working. With over 3 years of experience as a VTuber, I'm here to help you out and getting your model back up and running once again. Make sure to check down below in the description and download this guide I made so you can follow along. So, first things first, let's get started with the basics and begin this troubleshooting process.